Welcome in Craft and Design 3.0 for my dear guys, for my dear audience. In this video, I will describe creative tools for welding project. My dear guys, when working on a creative welding project, having the right tools can significantly enhance both the quality and efficiency of your work. Some essential and creative tools for welding project. First of all, welding machine or MIG or TIG or stick welder. So the type of welding machine you choose depend on your project needs. So MIG welder are great for beginners and general purpose welding. So TIG welders are ideal for precise and clean welder, and stick welder are good for thicker material. And some tips like is consider a multi-process welder if you want the flexibility to switch between different welding techniques. So an angle grinder is crucial for cutting, grinding and polishing metal. It helps in preparing the metal surface before welding and cleaning up welds afterward. Some tips keep a variety of discus on hand, cutting, grinding, and flap discus to handle different tasks. And a welding clamp, my dear guys, clamps are essential for holding pieces of metal together securely while you weld. They help ensure accuracy and prevent movement. So use a magnetic clamp for ease of positioning and quick adjustment. So welding helmet are also it is also a tool. A welding helmet with an auto darkening filter is crucial for protecting your eyes from the bright arc. So auto darkening helmet adjusts the trinity level automatically, making them convenient for very light condition. So choose a helmet with a wide viewing area and adjustable sensitivity setting for comfort and versatility. So welding gloves are also heavy duty welding gloves protect your hands from heat, sparks, and sharp edge. They also offer good grip on the welding tools. Some tips for welding gloves: choose gloves with a long cuff to protect your wrists and forearm as well. So some chipping hammer and wire brush. A chipping hammer is used to remove slag from a weld, especially when using a stick welder. So wire brush helps us clean the metal surface and prepare it for the next weld. So some tips: chipping hammer and wire brush keep these tools close by during welding to maintain clean and strong welds. So some welding table, my dear guys, are sturdy and a welding table provides a flat and stable surface for your project. So many welding table come with clamps, slots and a hole for easy positioning and securing for workpieces. My dear guys, when we talk about a welding table tips, then consider a table with an adjustable height feature for ergonomic comfort. So metal file and deburring tools. Metal file and deburring tools are used to smooth out rough edges and sharp corner after cutting or welding. So they help improve the finish and safety for your project. And when we talk about a metal file and deburring tools, the tips use different size and shapes of foil for detail work and hot reach areas. My dear guys, a welding magnet are also it is also a tool for welding magnet welding project. Welding magnet are versatile tools that hold metal pieces at various angle, 45-degree to 90 angle during welding. They are especially useful for projects that require precise angle and positioning. My dear guys, when we talk about a welding magnet, then different tips we can use, like as invest in a set of strong magnet in different sizes of different project needs. And as a plasma cutter is an efficient tool for cutting metal sheets and plates with high precision. So it can cut through various thickness quickly and cleanly. And when we talk about some tips for plasma cutter, use a guide, a straight edge when making long cuts to ensure accuracy. And some metal shears are used for cutting thin sheets of metal on their handy tool for more delicate cuts and intricate design. My dear guys, when we talk about metal shears, then some tips we can use. Use electric shears for more power and efficiency, especially if you are working on larger project. So C-clamp and pipe clamps are also C-clamps are essential for holding down metal pieces during welding. Pipe clamps are specifically useful when working with round or tubular material. So tips which is used ensure your clamp are made of strong heat resistance material to withstand the condition of welding. Some welding pliers, multi-purpose welding pliers can be used for a variety of tasks such as cutting wire, removing spatter, and even as a hammer. So look for a plier with the insulated handle for comfort and protection. For welding pliers, my dear guys, the tips we can use. So a welding positioner is a device that helps rotate and position the workpiece at various angles, making it easier to access all sides without moving the workpiece manually. So consider a positioner with a foot pedal control for hands-free operations. So some my dear guys, heat gun can be used to preheat metal before welding or to apply heat for bending or shaping metal. It is also useful for removing paint or rust from a metal surface. So use a heat resistance glove when handling a heat gun to avoid burn. Then subscriber and a center punch. A skyper is used for marking metal surface before cutting or welding, while a center punch helps create a small indentation to guide a drill bit or other tools. So tips use a combination of a skyper and a ruler or straight edge to ensure accurate markings. So some caliper and measuring are also precision tools like calipers and measuring tapes are crucial for accurate measurement when cutting and assembling metal pieces. So choose a digital caliper for easy and precise measurement, especially for small and detailed work. So some welding apron and protective gear are also used. So metal bender, so your compressor and blow are also used. Gun and your compressor with the blow gun attachment is useful for cleaning up your workspace by blowing away metal dust, debris, and welding slack. My dear guys, some tips: regularly clean your tool and workspace to maintain a safe and efficient working environment. So this tool will equip you to take on a wide range of creative welding project, my dear guys. So thank you very much for watching my video once again. Thank you very much.